with the first pitch being at 6:35. Fortunate for us, those thunderstorms that we were seeing earlier this week have moved on. So if you take a look at our viewer photo for the day, you will see none of this is expected for tonight. We're looking at mostly clear skies with just a bit of wind. Not quite as warm tonight either, but not seeing that chance for any showers. Now, if we take a look out at Mount Bachelor, you see clear skies that way as well. In fact, we're planning on staying clear and keeping clear through the next several days. Here's a look off the Aubrey Butte camera. Clear as a whistle with just a few clouds here and there throughout the region. Now we're talking about the winds and the skies. You can see here that there is some shower activity to our east. We're not anticipating that to be moving here. You can see it's actually moving more to the northeast and not in our direction. We're also expecting those winds to pick up, like I mentioned, not so much tonight. We're looking at that to being more tomorrow and into Saturday. And these northwest winds, they could get up to 20 to 25 miles per hour, and then some gusts around 30, and maybe by Saturday even 35 miles per hour. So stronger winds are expected, and that is why we are seeing some watches and warnings. The pink area that you're seeing there, that is a fire weather warning that was just upgraded from a watch this afternoon. It starts tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. and goes here, you can see, until 10 p.m. Then to the south in the tan area, that is a fire weather watch, not expecting as strong of a winds in that area. And that goes until Saturday at 9 p.m. So keep in mind that we have these watches and warnings in place, strong winds, dry conditions. It's just keeping a watch at that. Now here we have a cool down coming we're going to talk about. You see that ridge of high pressure that we were looking at? That is continuing to move on to the east. We're starting to see some of that trough of low pressure drop down, and that effectively changes our winds. You can see right here we're just below that trough, so we stay a bit on the warmer side, but we do see those winds picking up as we move through. Now here on our future track, you see that shower off to the southeast. That continues to move on to the east, and then the rest of the region you see just a few clouds, specifically along the Cascades. Not expecting there to be too much activity other than those clouds. Now the models are showing there's a slight chance for some thunderstorms in La Pine tonight, but they're not completely in agreement. Here's a look at those temperatures for today. You can see we still made it into the 90s in the Bed, Renman, and Warm Springs area, and we do of course keep some of that warmth overnight tonight because the high pressure has not moved on yet, and we keep our temperatures above average by nearly, if not 10 degrees or more. Then tomorrow, although we're warm, we're above average. We stay on the cooler side from where we have been, warmer than we typically are. Moving on to our 7-day, once we get past those windy days, you see our temperatures back into the low 70s. We stay close to average or just at average all the way until we get to Thursday, where we start to warm up again.